Hi there, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. What we have in this image here is a picture of the small intestine underneath the microscope. When we are looking under the microscope and we're trying to decide whether or not we're looking at the histology of the small intestine versus the large intestine, one of the things that we want to look for are the villi that are going to be the distinguishing feature that we see in the small intestine. Because both small and large intestine will have simple columnar epithelium as part of their mucosa. If we go ahead and get our bearings here, this is our free surface, our apical surface. That means that this tissue here is going to be our simple columnar epithelium. It's part of the mucosa layer. Which we can bracket out right there. And then again, the way this tissue is arranged, we get these finger-like projections. So we end up with these finger-like projections, and those are going to be our villi. I'll point out our couple over here as well. Again, we know that the histology of the GI tract, we're going to have similar layers. We start with the mucosa, then we have a submucosa. We have a layer of smooth muscle tissue, our muscularis externa, and then on the very outermost, we have the serosa.